SmartDispute.ai Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the products and tools mentioned in this video are in the description below. If you're looking to improve your credit score by removing inaccurate, outdated, or unverifiable items, SmartDispute.ai is an AI-powered credit repair platform designed to streamline the dispute process while giving you control over your credit repair journey. Unlike traditional credit repair services that charge high monthly fees and handle everything on your behalf, SmartDispute.ai combines automation with a guided workflow, allowing users to import their credit reports, identify negative items, and generate dispute letters customized by its AI system. The platform supports all three major credit bureaus and uses intelligent analysis to flag items that are most likely to be successfully disputed, such as late payments, collections, charge-offs, or hard inquiries. One of its strongest features is the AI-driven letter creation, which leverages professional templates and credit bureau rules to increase the chances of having inaccurate information removed. Users can review, edit, and send letters directly through the platform, maintaining oversight and control while benefiting from automation. SmartDispute.ai also includes a dashboard that tracks the status of each dispute in real time, showing responses from credit bureaus, removed items, and updated scores, which helps users stay organized and monitor progress without guessing what's happening behind the scenes. In terms of pricing, the service operates on an affordable subscription model that includes unlimited disputes and 3-bureau credit monitoring, offering a cost-effective alternative to traditional credit repair companies. It is best suited for individuals who want a hands-on approach, prefer to manage their own disputes with expert guidance, and are comfortable following the credit bureau process. However, there are limitations. SmartDispute.ai cannot guarantee results since credit bureaus only remove items that are inaccurate or unverifiable, and it is not a substitute for legal advice or full financial counseling. Users still need to actively participate in reviewing reports, approving letters, and mailing disputes when necessary. Overall, SmartDispute.ai is an effective and modern tool for anyone serious about improving their credit score efficiently, providing professional-level dispute support, transparency, and automation without the high costs of traditional credit repair services.